Meron po ngayong pinag-uusapan, proposed bill. Proposed bill tungkol sa drug test. Pasensya na kayo, wala pa akong boses eh. Yung drug test ay tinutulak po ni Congressman Pulong Duterte. Okay? Proposed bill, panukalang batas na gusto niya magkaroon ng drug test every 6 months sa lahat ng elected at appointed sa ating pamahalaan. Okay? Ako, tingin ko okay naman yon. Kaya lang, isinama niya ang presidente. So, meron siyang pinatatamaan. Kaya naman ngayon, okay, ang kanyang turing nating kaibigan, kasamang congressman, si Mix Nograles, ang hamon niya, isama mo ang mga lokal. Bakit national lang? At saka may hamon din si Nograles na umarap ka sa public hearing. Humarap ka sa floor plenaryo. Ikaw mismo ang magdepensa nitong iyong proposed bill na ito para sa drug test ng mga elected at appointed sa ating pamahalaan. Pakinggan natin ang sinasabi po ni Congresswoman Nograles dito po sa isyong ito, yung proposed bill na ito ng isa sa mga Duterte.
With any legislator naman, they're welcome to file bills, right, that they deem fit. But as a legislator, I hope lahat naman tayo, as legislators kami dito, alam naman namin yung mga rules na we file, not just to file, but the intent is good, and I hope the intent for this is good. There is a Supreme Court case already that deemed unconstitutional a mandatory filing, mandatory drug testing if it's going to be deemed included as one of the qualifications for a candidate kasi yung constitution naman naglalagay nun. But sana po, no, madepensahan niya to. And maganda po yung intent niya. And to defend this, you have to be able to attend the committee hearing and not pass it on to someone else. So, if this is his bill, we respect it. It will go through the process. Sana lang na mapakita niya bakit niya ginagawa to and na it's not for any vindication of anything. It's not to single out someone because that will be unconstitutional. And sana this applies also sa local government units because as our friends in media know, even in Davao City, meron mga 37, I think, that tested positive sa drug test, random drug test sa isang department. So, sana this applies to all. Hindi lang mag-single out.
Ma'am, sorry po. Idagdag ko lang po na specified kasi doon sa bill na including the president.
So, I hope including din lahat ng mga local government at lahat. Again, kung gusto niya ganito yung bill, he has every prerogative to write a bill, pass a bill, file a bill, and go through the committee. And if he deems that fit na tama yung wordings, at madedepensa niya yun, sana lang po madepensa niya yun in the committee, in the floor, in front of everyone, and not pass it on to another congressman dahil bill niya po to. So, we will follow the process. We respect his knowledge and his intent in this. Sana lang the intent is good para sa kabutihan ng taong bayan because we are legislators to file bills for the betterment of the Filipino people at hindi para mang-asar or mang-single out or use your position to do things na may personal aspect po. So yun, sana po madepensa niya at magpakita po siya dito sa Kongreso. Yun lang po.
Di ata mapasok eh.
To quickly just add on, I guess tayo naman dito, no, our friends in the media and us also working in politics,
Press conference po kasi.
are aware of the noises around. And to specifically just to answer also directly what Tina said, to include specifically a position might also infer that there might be, as much as I hate to say it, sana naman walang personal agenda, no, yung mga file natin ng mga bills. In fact, what we do here in the House is we always look at the Filipino people. No? If the intent is for the Filipino people, we welcome them to file any kind of bill. And of course, it will go through the processes of committee hearings, public mentioned.
To see ano pa talaga yung laman ng batas na ito. In what words was it couched? Would it be able to pass that constitutional barrier from the previous iterations? And I think yun po yung talagang mahirap po dito. Madali lang po mag-file ng panukalang batas. Madali maglagay ng magandang explanatory note na clickbait or catchy. Pero it really comes down to the quality of the legislation. And I think we're excited, hopefully, to see our esteemed colleague na mag-attend po sa hearings and defend this bill. And we'd like to see his opinions po kung paano po ito magpapasa sa committee. And we're excited to tackle it naman po. Yun na po.
Ayan o. So, malinaw. Pumasok kasi. Ano ba talagang totoo? Hindi pa nakikita sa Congress. Anyway, press conference po yan at sinasabi ni Congressman Nograles at ng iba pang congressman, siya ang magdepensa, si Pulong Duterte bilang 1st District Davao City Congressman doon sa kanyang proposed bill na mandatory drug test ang mga elected, appointed government official. Kasi hindi yata nila nakikita sa Congress, hindi yata pumapasok eh. Hindi nag-a-attend ng public hearing, sa mga debate, hindi rin. Kaya ang challenge ng mga congressman, maganda yung paano kala mo, pero humarap ka. Ikaw ang magdepensa niyan. Ikaw ang magpaliwanag. Huwag yung ibang tao. Ay, nalaw ko na. So ano ba talaga? Kasi hindi ko rin nakikita sa hearing eh. Sa dami ng mga hearing sa Kongreso, hindi nagpa-participate si Pulong. Dami ng debate sa plenaryo, lalo na ngayon budget na. Hindi rin sumasali. Tapos may proposed bill. Baka iba raw magdepensa, hindi pwede. Kailangan si Pulong ang magdepensa ng kanyang proposed bill kung gusto niya. Kung walang personalan ito, malalaman niya. Kasi alam naman natin ang mga Duterte, galit kay Pangulong Marcos. Pero bakit ngayon lang? After 2 years, na ang kanyang kapatid na si Inday Sara, Vice President, ay naging Cabinet Secretary, wala siyang proposed bill na ganyan. Nang umalis na sa gobyerno, si Sara, ayan na, may panukalang batas na si Pulong Duterte na mandatory drug test. Magandang layunin. Basta wala lang personalan. At saka, para may tinutukoy. Ang sabi nga nila baka ang Pangulo lang ang gusto niyang tumbukin. Anyway, so abangan natin. So inuulit ko, ang challenge ng mga kapwa congressman niya, kasamahan niya, humarap ka sa hearing at plenaryo, debate sa floor, yan sa proposed bill mo yan. Okay?